Are you looking to become a rich YouTuber? You'll know that the top YouTubers are making millions of dollars a year by creating content. In fact, the top-earning YouTuber has made $21 million in just 1 year. If you love video and also happen to have a great personality and an ability to speak coherently, you may wonder if becoming a YouTuber is the right career path for you. With so many people aspiring to become famous YouTubers, the competition is intense. But it doesn't mean that it's impossible for anyone to achieve this dream. There are just some things you need to know first before jumping on board with this career path. We help teach people about money, personal finance, and investments. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful. There are a few things you need to know. First and foremost, becoming a successful YouTuber requires hard work, dedication, and talent. But if you have what it takes, you can definitely make it big on YouTube. In this video, we will provide you few tips. By following them, you can greatly increase your chances of becoming a successful and wealthy YouTuber. Becoming a YouTube millionaire. Becoming a millionaire YouTuber is a 3-step process: creating the content, promoting that content, and getting paid for that content. In order to make that million, you'll have to master all 3 of these steps. Having the right idea is important, but the execution is just as important. It's important to understand that there might be failures along the way. You might not get the type of content that you want to get right away, but that's okay. What's important is that you keep trying and you keep pushing through the challenges. There's no such thing as an overnight success. It's a long journey that might take many years. The promotion of your content is just as important as creating the content itself. If no one finds your content, then it doesn't matter how good it is. You have to make sure that you're promoting your content in the right places. What do you need? In order to become a YouTuber, you'll need a few things: a strong and unique personality. This is what will make you stand out from the millions of other YouTubers out there. Be yourself and be confident in who you are. A great camera. People want to see high-quality videos, so invest in a good camera. Your smartphone's camera might work fine at first, but as you start to grow your channel, you'll want to upgrade to something better. Good editing skills. Again, people want to watch high-quality videos. If your videos are poorly edited, it'll reflect badly on your channel. Learn how to use editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro X, or hire someone who can do it for you. Consistency. It's important that you upload videos regularly if you want to grow your audience. Once people start subscribing to your channel, they'll expect new content on a regular basis. Content and audience. The key here is to understand who your audience is. Are you targeting kids or young adults? Are you trying to appeal to parents? Understanding the audience will help you in creating content that appeals to them. You also have to understand what type of content your audience is consuming. What are the top videos on YouTube? What topics are gaining traction? What do people want to learn? You have to know this so that you can create content that fits into the gaps in the market. Creating great content is much more than having a great idea. It's also about being able to execute that idea. You need to have the technical skills to make your video look appealing. You also need to be able to edit the video so that it flows well and is easy to understand. This can be a challenge for many first-timers. If you're a beginner, it's best to focus on creating content around topics that don't require a lot of high-end equipment. For example, try creating short videos that are focused on humor. How to make money on YouTube. There are a few ways that YouTubers make money. The first and most common way is through advertisements. Advertisers will pay you based on how many people watch your video, with the amount varying based on your channel's popularity and the type of ad. You can also make money through product placement, where you promote a product in your video and are paid by the company. This can be anything from books to phones to food products. If you have a large enough following, companies will also pay you to do sponsored videos where you talk about their product in a positive light. And finally, if you have created your own merchandise, such as t-shirts or mugs, You can sell these through your channel for profit. Collaborate and network with brands. One of the ways to get paid for your videos is to collaborate with brands. There are many advertisers that would love to work with YouTubers with large audiences. You just have to make sure that you have a large enough audience to qualify for these types of partnerships. You also have to understand that you're not allowed to endorse products that you don't like or believe in. You also have to make sure that you disclose any partnerships or advertisements that are paid. Another way to get paid for your videos is to use the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows you to make money off of the advertisements that are shown during your videos. Promote your YouTube channel. There are many ways to promote your YouTube channel, but some are more effective than others. One of the best ways to promote your channel is to create great content that people will want to watch. If you can consistently produce videos that are entertaining or informative, people will keep coming back for more. Another great way to promote your YouTube channel is to collaborate with other YouTubers who have a similar audience. This can help you reach a larger audience and get more exposure for your channel. You can also promote your YouTube channel through social media by sharing your videos on platforms like Facebook and Twitter. This can help you reach even more people and get more views for your videos. Finally, one of the best ways to promote your YouTube channel is through paid advertising. This can be done through Google AdWords or other forms of online advertising. Paid advertising can be very effective in getting new viewers to your channel and increasing your video views. Things to avoid. There are a few things to avoid if you want to become a successful YouTuber. First, don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. It takes time and dedication to build a following on YouTube. Second, avoid comparing yourself to other YouTubers who have been successful for longer than you. Everyone's path to success is different. Third, don't give up if you hit a snag along the way. Every successful person has had their share of setbacks. Finally, avoid letting your ego get in the way of your success. Remember that it's not all about you, it's about your viewers and providing them with value. Conclusion. The YouTube industry is a competitive one, and it can be difficult to make a name for yourself, let alone a profit. There are tens of thousands of people creating content every day, and many aspire to become famous YouTubers. If you want to become a YouTuber, you have to create great content, build your audience, and then promote that content to the right people. It's not an easy process, but it is possible to make a significant amount of money with YouTube if you're willing to put in the work. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.